A very warm good morning to one and all present here. I am Mayur Subhash Chavan, working as an assistant professor in Computer Engineering Department, SCTRS PICT, Pune. Right? And this time we are going to discuss something about computer network subject, CN subject. So before starting our subject, I hope you enjoyed your vacation for previous semester, and I want you to forget what was happened to you last time, good or bad. Maybe you have got very good numbers, maybe you have got less numbers. Forget about it. We just have to start with what is there in our hand now, right? So in this third year comp engineering very first semester, we are going to discuss something about computer network. So as you all know, computer network is our day-to-day life part, and maybe you have questions in your mind that why this subject is kept with this third year comp engineering very first semester. So there are some technologies, there are some protocols, and there are some dynamic projects. As you all know, if the project working with standalone system, so that may be not going to help to many more. And if the project is distributed on distributed devices, so it will definitely help to each and everyone. And yes, because of all those things, there may be a network. And as you all know, there may be core subjects of comp engineering. There may be a data structure, there may be a database, there may be a OS, just like there is a computer network. So, in your future life, you may be work with the corporate world, you may be a entrepreneurs. So technology may change, but for sure there will be a network, right? And yes, only because we are going to study something about computer network in this semester. So what is network? So as you all know, connected computer or connected device concept is a network, right? So what that devices are doing, they are capable for sharing of data. What that concept is, connected devices concept, and they are capable for sharing of data, right? So what kind of data they are sharing? There may be a text, audio, video. We may be able to share with the help of this network. So what are the outcomes? So after studying this subject in this third year comp engineering, what are the outcomes of this subject? So with the help of this, we are going to study many more comp related technologies, many more protocols related to computer network. So what is protocol? Protocol is nothing but a set of rules that govern data communication. Without the protocol, your systems may be in connected mode. But for the communication, what they need is protocol, right? And again, we are going to discuss many more, topologies. What we are going to discuss is topology. What we are going to discuss is types of networks. Okay. So these are the outcomes of this subject. The way in which we are getting connected using wired network, the way in which we are getting connected using wireless network, right? So what is network and what is internet? Is there any difference between them? So as you all know, network is a concept of connected devices and they are capable for sharing of data. So network of network is a internet. So internet itself is a network. This is small scale and this is large scale, right?